Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade diary, easy method. Wash all equipment thoroughly before starting and assemble clean jars, a thermometer, and a heavy pot. Heat milk slowly to 180 degrees F while stirring to prevent scalding. Cool milk to 110 degrees F, then add starter culture or plain yogurt and stir gently. Incubate the mixture undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours until it sets and tangy flavor develops. Taste and refrigerate when cool. Start by measuring 2 liters of fresh whole milk for creamier texture and a reliable yield. Warm the milk slowly and watch temperature closely with a thermometer to reach 180 degrees F. After cooling to 110 degrees F, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of starter or plain yogurt and stir gently. Pour into jars and maintain steady incubation temperature for several hours to achieve thick, creamy homemade dairy. Chill for a few hours before serving to let flavors mellow. Keep the incubation area warm and draft-free, aiming for about 110 degrees F for consistent cultures. Use an oven with the light on, a dehydrator, or insulated cooler with warm water bottles to maintain heat. Check texture after 6 hours and extend incubation up to 12 hours for tangier flavor or thicker body. Avoid disturbing the jars while setting to ensure smooth texture and better separation of whey. Label jars with start time to track progress and avoid overculturing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.